Visit this spectacular 1938 ranch this Friday, October 31st. This is Frida Everett with Berkshire Hathaway Beach Properties, and I'll be hosting an open house from 1 to 4 p.m. at 911th Street in Apalachicola. Did I mention this gorgeous home has just received a price refresh? That's right. This home has just been reduced to $799,000, sits on 2 city lots with over 2,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Come see me this Friday. You will be impressed. Can't make it on Friday? Just text me, Frida, at 404-219-0635 to schedule a private tour.